So y'all got the Mac Crispies. Y'all see them? Golden. The golden. Y'all see them? I don't know, this is my first time trying them. I got some sweet and sour sauce and that creamy chili. Can't see it. I'm finna see what they talking about. I'm in a rush. I have to go pick my mom up. Okay, I'm gonna try with the creamy chili sauce first. These motherfuckers long. Let's see what they here for. They all good. Crispy. Y'all good. The creamy chili a little spicy. Y'all hot. For real. I'm gonna dip the fry in the creamy chili sauce, you know. It's good. It's just hot. I love it like that.